character. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can never miss a video. And just kidding, that's not actually me. Dang. Oh yeah, I remember. I made myself so tall, taller than the others, except me and him are the same height. Jump down. I'm pretty sure I don't want to jump down. Yeah. Now I can jump down. We are going to be playing Don't Press the Piggy button or something like that. But I remember this one time I wasted all my coins on this green little not grapple hook. This green little thingy-majiggy or something like that. And so it's like, look, let me show you. Somewhere it was this right here. And it cost 100 points. And I wasted all my money on that. I want this. Because the green does nothing. Like, I don't even know why I bought it. Oh yeah, I can jump down. I don't even know why I bought it. I don't even know why I bought it. What is this? Dang it, I'm resetting my character. Because there is a thing that if you use, like, jump down, you can, like, land on the thing. Show you. Right here. No! I need that coin. I need that coin because on the finish, there's, like, a little coin there. So I already need it. No, I need that. I want it. No! How did that? You know what? Forget that coin. We're just gonna be avoiding all of the obstacles there. All of like the things. Oh, go to the side. Go to the side before like the little logs come. Cause I played this game before. See, look at that. Run. You can't run. You can't outrun it because it was faster than you. You just have to go to the side. Or you can just keep jumping over it. You just keep jumping over it because that's more funner. I'm used to it just like sending in a whole bunch. Like when it sends in one, there's like a whole bunch. No. Ooh, there's music. That's new. No, I'm so dumb. It's because if you go on the side. Oh man. Why does he keep just? Does he just wait until the Oh, I remember this one. There's like little giant meteors coming out from the sky. But that was quickly. Oh! I can't get touched. Dude. What? I didn't even get touched. Like, you know what? Forget it. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, yes. There's going to be, like, a shark. The reason why I like this map so much, because there's, like, a whole bunch of coins. And this is where I got all the coins from. Good. Okay, nope. Okay, nope. That was supposed to be mine. I didn't even touch it. What? Go. I'm still going down. Tell me how this water doesn't kill you, but if you go over here, like you have to jump or that water will just boom. And I didn't even touch it. Or did I? I'm pretty sure I did. But I'm pretty sure I did. I know if I go over there. Oh, a tsunami is coming. A tsunami is coming. A tsunami is coming. A tsunami is coming. My life is end now. My life has ended now. The tsunami's not that big. Actually, it is that big. I should probably go up here now. This is literally so scary. He's. Oh! He got mad at me because I caught him short. Dude, it's because it's when it's so far, it looks so small, but since like it gets closer, it's bigger. What? This is a new one. What do we do? What is that? What do we do? Wait, would you like it? I better get paid by that. I better get coins, dude. What would happen if you don't, if you're not in there? Did you see that? Somebody just jumped off. Wow. That was it? Oh. I need to go uphill. That purple goo thingy-majiggy, I don't know what that does, but it does something. No! Dude, I hate that. I literally hate that. Because that thing is in, like, your way. Oh, yeah. I knew it. Hold up. Wait. Right there. That's a good idea. Trying to my phone, dude. Actually, never mind, because then stuff will just pop up. How long has this video been going for? It only has been going for 6 minutes. No! Jump down. Oh! Okay. They're twins. Let me have a bubble. Uh-oh. I need to run from oh no, I don't. I thought I needed to run from something. 3, 2, 1, and run. No! I'm already bad at this, so don't pick what I'm here. Go. Time is just gonna run out, then we're just all gonna like hit the water, just respawn. I have super speed. How did I do that? Whew. Keep on running before the time runs out, and the time's gonna run out soon. Then everyone loses hope. No, that is smart, cause he just like did the yellow thing. He just passed the yellow thing, but like didn't do the opposite push. Look at this. Cause look, if he jumps, huh? Oh, I'm too tall. That's why when I jump, oh. I need to hurry up. No, I didn't even touch it. How? That is impossible. Yay. Jump down. Huh. Don't touch. Why? Is it because of that? Will you turn it to piggy? This is easy. You can easily just stand on here what she's doing. And you won't die because the logs can't reach it. Wait, what? Did you see that? That piggy over there that's running right there is touching the thing. Touch the thing. Look at that. And they're not even, okay, you know what? Boom. 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 Got it? Oh, I'm gonna fall off the map, I know it. That's why I'm scared, because I'm gonna fall off the map. Press it. Press it. Oh. Stay in the same place. Okay, go over there then. Because then they just won't hit it again. Oh, shit. Oh, it won't hit it. It will go near it, but it won't hit it. See what I tell you? A meteor never hits the same place twice. I'm gonna do what that guy did. I'm just gonna keep the little speedy thingy. Boom, but I'm gonna get that coin. See, cause look, cause if I don't if I don't respawn or reset my character, I would still have this. So I'm just like Flash. People is gonna want to copy my idea now. Yep, what I tell you, we Flash. He's Sonic, I'm Flash. My favorite superhero out of the DC is Flash, and my favorite superhero out of the Avengers is gotta be Captain America. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, I'm too fast. No! Hey. Oh well. This video has been 11 minutes long. So I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you can never miss a video when I upload one. And what just happened? And hit the notification bell, so hit the subscribe button. And peace. What is happening here? And bye.